Problem solving. Una is hahanapin natin yung A kasi yung P niya is 680,000. Tapos yung R naman niya is 12% per year. Tapos yung T is 8 years. Ang formula niya is A equals P equals RT. A equals 680,000 equals 0.12 times 8. A So yung A niya is 680,000 times 0.96 equals 1,775,153.